Okay, sorry that took a while. I'm trying now to make this face of the vise jaw square to the table. So the approach with the end mill didn't work very well, so I wasn't very happy with the results with the end mill. So now I'm using a face mill to make the final cut. The cut with the end mill wasn't completely useless. It helped me to have an almost square, partially done face to allow me to place the piece on the table at a square angle, and I'm quite pleased with the result. So there it is, almost complete my homemade vise. Yay! I still didn't have time to finish completely and cut the ends with this, but I can already use it, and it clamps really well. I'm happy. Today I also found in the scrap market 2 parallels like this one, quite cheap. It's about $1.5. This is actually one of the first parts that I made with my CNC, and here I made a pocket for the motor mount, and it came out really well. I had an idea this evening of making things simpler and life easier for me. I'm thinking of making these supports out of such aluminum profile. A test hole for the bearing, and this goes quite fast and easy, much easier than making these blocks. And I somehow feel bad that I didn't have this idea yesterday, because I spent so much time doing these things and they didn't came out well. This idea maybe helps somebody. You can make quite a lot of things with such profiles. Neat stuff. So thank you for watching.